What's up, guys? I'm here outside today to show you how to restore this mirror. So, a little backstory on this. I had a customer call me recently and they just wanted to replace this with a new one. So I went ahead and replaced that for them. However, instead of just throwing this away, I thought, maybe I can bring it back to life. So that's what I'm going to be doing here today, and I'm going to show you guys how you can restore this like new. Alright, now the first thing I want to do is to just take a sponge with a little bit of dish soap and clean this up a little bit. I want to get rid of all these rust, discoloration here, any dirt, debris, and all this nasty stuff back here before we do anything else. Okay, now that's looking a little better already. But as you can see, it's not just spots where the mirror is missing, but you have this gray area here where it's peeling away. So next we're going to have to get a razor or a scraper. We're going to scrape all this back until we get back to the actual mirror pattern. So you're looking at the back of the mirror now. You can see this is the gray coating that's used as a backing of the actual chrome mirror coating. The idea here is just to get rid of all that loose material that was showing through on the front. Here's a trick. You can use a little bit of your soapy water. This will help you while you're scraping, especially when you're using the hand blade. You can see some of the mirror shining through, and that's what we want to see. We want to get right down to that clean edge. Alright, so now if you look at this, it's nice and clean. We've gotten rid of all the gray backing material. We have a nice sharp line where our mirror meets the glass.
I've carefully masked off the edges of this mirror with painter's tape.
Okay, so this is the product I'm going to be using. It's called Looking Glass by Krylon. It's just a spray paint silver finish, and I'm hoping that it has a nice mirrored metallic finish that's going to blend with the rest of this mirror. Let's shake it up and find out. Okay, I've applied several thin coats. Now we're going to let that dry for a little while, and we'll pick it up and take a look. And there's our finished product. It gives it a silvery reflective finish. It doesn't quite match the mirror of the original.
I would not recommend using this product to restore a mirror. You can see how hazy it looks in these pictures up at the top. You can definitely see the difference.